بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 33. Possessive pronoun. A pronoun indicating possession is called possessive pronoun. We can use a possessive pronoun instead of a noun phrase. In front of a noun, we use my, your, his, her, its, our, and their, and without being followed by a noun. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours. Example: that car belongs to me. That car is mine. I have a bike. It's mine. Possessive pronouns. Now part B. Choose the correct possessive pronoun for each sentence to give it the same meaning as the sentence before it. Mom and I have a boat. It's ours. The right option is option C, ours. Number 2. Adil has an apple. It's his. Option B. Number 3. Jamil and Maria have a skateboard. It's theirs. The right option is option D. Number 4. She has a cat. That cat is hers. Option B is the right option. Number 5. We have a car. That car is ours. Option C. Number 6. They have a bike. That bike is theirs. Option D is the correct option. Number 7. Was your grammar book expensive? Option A. Your. Number 8. My telephone is out of order, but his is working. Option C. We gave them our telephone number and they gave us theirs. The right option is option D. Number 10. This bird has broken its wing. Option D. Number 11. Chanko has eaten her lunch already, but I am saving mine until later. Now students, page number 34. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refer back to the subject of the sentence or clause. They either end in self as in the singular form or selves as in the plural form. In singular form, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And in plural form, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. And these are the same, herself and itself. We use a reflexive pronoun as a direct object when the object is the same as the subject of the verb. She is instructing herself to cook. and with the preposition by. He lived by himself in a new city. Now, part C. Choose the correct reflexive pronouns to complete each sentence. Number 1. My little sister can dress herself. Option A. My little sister can dress herself. I wash my clothes. The right option is option A, myself. I repaired the computer. The right option is option B, myself. Number 4. We don't like to talk about ourselves. Option A. Number 5. Sarah looks at herself in the mirror for hours. Option B. Number 6. Every morning I wash my face and clean my teeth by myself. Option A. Number 7. Jamila is a baby. She is too small to eat by herself. Option C. Number 8. Aftab is very lazy. He always copies his friend's homework and never does it by himself. Option A. Number 9. If you can't do this exercise by yourself, ask the teacher for help. Students, do page number 33 and page number 34 in books. This is your homework. Do page number 33 and page number 34 in books and share with us in WhatsApp groups. This is your homework. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.